You'll have to tell me where you want me to do.
Alright, can you get down like this? Alright, you might have to move a little bit. Alright.
I'm not on yet, so you tell me what you want.
Need a piece of tape. Need a notebook. Need marble. Just marble, okay.
You'll have to tell me when you need me to get closer, because I'm not going to know.
Alright, I'll motion you. I need one piece of tape ready to go.
Did you hit capture on that over there?
Yeah, it's on right now.
It's capturing it right now. Okay.
Alright, are you on?
No, I need to know when you want me on.
Alright, okay, tell me now. It's good to go.
Okay.
Alright, so today I'm going to tell you guys how to do the roller coaster loop experiment. So the first thing that you need to do is pick out what size loop you want, and you need to use the foam pipe installation to do this. So I'm going to do a 15-inch loop. So you use this, and you figure out how much the 15 inches is. Put the loop down on the ground, and you're just going to insert it in here like this and measure out how long you want it. I want it to be 15, so I'm just going to adjust it until the size of the diameter is about 15. Take a piece of tape, mark it. Then you have a loop. Now, as you can see, I already have a loop that's made right here. And what you need to do is, this one is actually 12 inches. So the purpose of this experiment is to figure out, depending on the loop diameter, you want to figure out the lowest possible height that you can go here that still has a high success rate, which means marble goes through more times than it doesn't. So I just picked a random height because for this you can. Next thing you need to do, figure out your run. So you measure it out, you pick the run. I picked 30 inches and I marked it right there. And that will stay the same throughout the experiment. So all you gotta do, you measure out the height. This one's 27 inches. You write the inches down, how long it is. So you write down 12-inch loop, because this is 12 inches in diameter, and then you write down your first starting height, which is 27 inches. Next thing you need to do is you get over here, you take your marble, and you run it down this variation 10 times, and you write down if it goes through or not. That one did. So you just run it through 10 more times and write down yes or no. So for this, you want to figure out the lowest possible height that a marble can still go through the majority of the time. So if you want to shorten it, you could, for example, cut it. Then you take a piece of tape, and you would keep it right here, and you just mark it or adjust it to how well you wanted it. And I have another one over here. So for this experiment, the size of the diameter, you use different ones. So for that 12-inch loop, I figure out the lowest possible height, and then I move on to the next diameter. This diameter is 15 inches. So you pick a height, you start at the same run, take marble, you measure how much the height is, and you write it down. Run marble down 10 times and see if it goes through. That one did. So you'd run it down 10 more times. So that's pretty much the gist of this experiment. You just take your foam pipe insulation, make a loop, you record down the diameter that you choose, you record down the run, take your marble, you pick a height, you record it, and you just run. Alright, what happened?
It's the efficient battery. So it stopped.
Why does this stuff have to happen to me?
Because you're doing it at the last moment. Hit in.